Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiser Man's Inventions. This is the 72 volt charger, as this is a generator, but this is 72 volts times 3, all in the one motor. So what it is from the start here to the first 12 poles, and then it's tied off at the end, and then it goes around, starts again here, ends here, starts again here, ends here. I'll show you a close-up. Here it is here. And okay, let's go back another one. So you can see after the 12, it came around, and I marked it there where the 12th one was, and then 3 back from here. You would tie off basically like that, and then the ones from here you would just start again or link them straight back in to the start again. And if you look at these 3 wires here, if you move them right around, it's exactly the same colors. If you moved those 3 wires right around to the start, it's the same colors. So, okay, so let's quickly go into the next one. Next one, we've seen that. That's the way it's wired, guys. It comes from the start around to this one and then around to the other one. But yeah. Okay, next is me trying to get it onto the actual unit. I actually shifted this off the board and gonna get the window wiper motor going. That's my little Tigs, my girl's boy. And okay, so let's go and have a look at it, guys. So this is it here, and I'll quickly explain what I've got here. So the motor is basically cut into 3 parts now, right? Every 12 pole is a motor or a generator now. Really, this is stock standard wire that's in there. It's not aluminium, it's alloy, but it's still good for a generator, right? And so I've still got it on the original shaft here, small sprocket on here, and a big sprocket here, which is on a window wiper motor. Try and get around here so you can see it. It's on a window wiper motor, and that window wiper motor is coming back running off a DC controller, 24 volts, uh, 40 amp DC brushed controller, right? So I've got this as my throttle. Let's plug this into the 2 batteries, and I'm gonna I'll just get this dude out of there before he gets jammed in there. Up out of there. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. So we're gonna turn this around a little bit. Oh, we're gonna turn this around a little bit. What's that? Okay, so now we have okay, so you can see that working, right? Okay. Before I show you the volts on the meter, this here is the volts already in these 6 batteries. I can probably hear you already saying, why don't you disconnect it and just have this straight onto the meter without the batteries. Well, I can do that, and there it is. There, it's off the battery now. So let's ramp it up. Let's ramp it up. See, it's capable of 85, and that's what you want, 85 volts DC, and that's running through the 2 phases, not 3. It's only running off two of the phases, running through this bridge rectifier here, which is a 2-phase one. That's a 3-phase one down there. Oh, it's getting faster. Look at that, it's ramped right up to 90 something. Whew. Turn that back a little bit. See, so okay, so this is perfect as a generator to generate up power into these batteries. Now let's just try and put this clip back in if I can. Yep, if I can get it back in. Okay, so the batteries say 70, 76. Let's see if... Oh, cat's climbing up my back. Get off, boy. Oh, alright. Let's ramp this up again, guys. Let's see if we can charge these batteries up. Right, ramping it up. Go. Yup. Okay, here we go. We want to see. Yep, it's going up. There we go. Really fast, too. Because you got to remember, I just rewired this motor like 3 generators in the one. You can see that's going up pretty fast, guys. These batteries are already sort of a little bit pre-charged. That's, yep, DC side. So this is it running. And as you can see, it's not turning that fast. But the reason why I made this is for a regen unit. I made the motor, and I showed you that in the last episode, guys. And then this is a charger unit to charge these batteries back up. Oh, Cat got a shock. Cat got a shock off those two. Oh, you poor thing. Oh, that'll teach you. Stay there, you guys. Oh, hilarious. Alright, let's drop that back down. See? Settling volts. There we go. Settling volts now is at 79. It was at about 76 before. So it's pretty fast charging. 3 times the motor in this one now, or generator now. So 3 times. It's got 3 times as much amperage it's throwing out now. That means at 85 volts, I think it said before. And it was starting to go up too because the motor was getting faster. So as that was getting faster, it was generating more power. But this is a regen unit. You're not constantly on this all the time. It's only for when you're stopping. So it's actually short little bursts back into the battery. And you imagine if I just spurted it, like used it as a regen right now, and went stopping, and then I'm using that power, and then stopping, and then that regen's off again. See, it gives it little boosts like that, so it's handy. It's a take and give little system. You know, the other one of these on the other side of the drift trike will be the motor, and this one is wired for the regen side of it. So they'll be on 2 separate shafts. So the regen will be on this one, and the motor will be over on the other side, but running off the same axle. But one of them will be freewheel, and this one will be locked in continuous. But I'll have an off and on switch to kick in and off when I need it. So yeah, and awesome, guys. So yeah, this is, I don't want to make this video too long, guys, but I'm definitely getting there, and just using all of this as a test table so I can get all of this down packed first before I start putting anything into anything. So yeah, volts are still good, 77. I know what you're saying. Why don't you try this as an e-bike motor now that it's just stock, almost like, you know, with a stock wire in there, but rewired into 3 different parts. It should be easier for the controller to run it. I might give that a test later. We'll see how I go. But at the moment, guys, oh, one more test. That's right. One more test. Here we go. I nearly forgot. The last test is on the 3 phases. I nearly forgot, guys. Ho ho ho. I would have been kicking myself later. So we're going to put the clips. This one's ramping back to the full bridge rectifier, which is running off the full 3 phases. Okay, that's on DC 200. That's in. Let's ramp the throttle up. Let's go. There we go. So yeah, that's 153 volts right there. That's off 3 of the phases. And it was, of course it could be more, could be more, just depends how fast it spins. I reckon that could ramp right up to about 180, but that was off the 3 phrases, and off the 2 is 85 to 90. So cool, guys. This one here is the other generator. That's a coil system out of charge coil out of a motorbike, Kawasaki. It's got magnets all the way around, like a big ring magnet in it. I can't quite get my camera in there, guys, but yeah, it's got a few poles in it. Can't remember how many. But awesome stuff, guys. Hope that was cool for you. I'll go and post this right now. Cruiser man out, guys.